Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make mint mushroom zucchini stir fry in Indian style. So let's get started. For making this easy recipe, we need some mushrooms and some zucchini. We need to wash them and slice it and keep it aside. So to a pan, I'm going to add some oil. You can take olive oil also. And now we are going to add our sliced mushroom and we need to saute it for about 1 minute. Because mushrooms takes very less time to cook, so it will be ready in few minutes only. So we just need to saute it on a high flame. Once the color of the mushroom starts to change, we need to transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. So now we can see the color of the mushroom has changed. So now I'm going to keep it aside in a plate. Now it's time to saute our zucchini. So here I am taking only the half zucchini which I have cut it into cubes, and now we need to saute it for about 1 minute more because mushrooms and zucchini both are very delicate vegetables, so they take very less time to cook. Zucchini and mushroom is a perfect combination and it's very healthy. Once the color of the zucchini also starts to change and it will start leaving moisture, we need to take it out in a plate and keep it aside with mushrooms. Remember to keep the flame high only. So now we need to take it out with the mushrooms and keep it aside. In the same pan, I am taking some oil. You can also take butter if you are comfortable with butter. You can take that. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it heat properly, and now we are going to add our ginger, garlic and green chilies which I have finely chopped. And now we need to saute these into high flame for about few seconds, like for about 1 minute, until the raw smells goes off. Keep stirring it. And now we are going to add half cup of finely chopped onions. Here I have taken red onions which I have chopped it finely. You can also slice it. And this recipe is very easy and versatile. You can also use it as a filling for your sandwiches or for your wraps. So once the onion turns pink, we need to start adding our masalas. So now I'm going to add some turmeric, which is 1 teaspoon only. And turmeric will add a very nice and vibrant color to our recipe. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can also skip if you don't like more hot. And now I'm going to add some salt, and salt also I'm adding only 1 teaspoon. To this now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup will add a very nice taste to this recipe. Now we need to saute all the masalas and all the spices together, and this will also take about 1 to 2 minutes. Once this is done, we need to add the main ingredient of this recipe today, and that is mint. So here I am taking 1/4 cup of chopped fresh mint, and we need to add and saute it also. So in few seconds you will find like the masalas is also cooked nicely, and now it's time to add our vegetables. So we need to add our mushrooms and zucchini which we have sauteed and kept it aside before. Once we have added it, we have to saute it on a high flame and keep stirring it. You can see that because of the turmeric we have added, the color is very beautiful. And because of the tomato ketchup, the taste will be very nice. So keep stirring it on a high flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is a very quick recipe. You can try it as a side dish or filling for your sandwiches or wraps. And this tastes exactly like a restaurant style. Very nice recipe it is. And now we need to add some lemon. So here I am adding only half a lemon, which will add a very nice taste to this recipe because lemon along with the mint leaves tastes really refreshing. So just give it a last stir and then it will be ready to serve. So keep your serving tray or serving dish ready and serve it hot with Indian chapati or rice. So guys, this is ready. Just garnish it with chopped coriander and enjoy. I hope you like the video. Do share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.